2. Kicked it over to the side. Jumper just in time. And he takes that jumper.
Except for
Ayun!
JB Casio.
Ayun na! Sakto, Doc. Nagpakita. Gives it to Gabe. Steps into a 3. And Gabe, back-to-back. 2 jumpers already. At 3 yun. JP Mendoza sa poste naman. Dinala sa may kanan. Goes behind his back. Bounces it over to Jewel. Jewel finishes at the hoop for a few points ni Ponferrada. Norwood may height advantage contra Abueva, but you know, Abueva, one of the best both defenders. He gets a jumper. That's his bread and butter, Doc, yung depensa. Here's a jumper from Jericho. Shot clock at 10. Hazul decides to put it up anyway. Knocks down the jumper sa loob lang ng 3-point line. He's with the ball right now. Gives it over to Manuel. Manuel inside. And finally gets a basket. RJ Azul, nice setup. Big boys on that bench.
Nice pass.
Nice feed and a finish. Si Q, dinala sa kaliwa. Tumig. Iniwan para kay Ponferrada. And what a setup from Chris Chu. Dangerous yun. Umabot ang bola kay JV Casio. 3 on the
Dangerous rin yan.
way. Chu, dinaan sa gitna ng dalawang Alaska Ace. Pinasa. Hey, look at that. Jericho Cruz at the 24-second buzzer. Able to knock that 3 down. Gabe Norwood gets it. Troliano all the way to the hoop, finishing. And ayan na naman, lamang na naman ang Rainer Shine ng dalawa. Bo goes over to Chris Chu. He missed earlier from 3. So ngayon, inilapit na lang. Pectos off the glass. Gets the layup. Patapuntos para kay Chris. Ximiniano sasagutin sana pero napalakas. Gets his own rebound. Ponferrada, the much bigger man on defense. Jumper from Abueva. Pero ngayon tuloy ang laban. Norwood bouncing into Jaywash. Iniwan para kay Ponferrada. Teamwork on the part of Rainer Shine results in 2. Anisi. Swing kay James. Sa poste ngayon kay Jaywash. Simple hook shot na lang ang ginawa ni Jaywash. Hindi na naman nakapasok itong Rainer Shine. Alaska with a chance. But they lose it. Get it back. Big Manuel will attack. Takes it straight to the hoop. Saan pa kalang labanan? Gabe Norwood, 18-foot jumper. To James Yap. A second to shoot. Bumitaw! Pasok ang 3! Balikan naman sa Rainer Shine. 7 to shoot. Casio's 3! He knocks it down. Pero ang bola nasa panig ng Rainer Shine. James Yap gets free on the curl.
Advantage should be for Jeff here.
Goes around Sanitos. Lefty layup. Napasok ni Jeff Chan. Casio fades away from 16. Knocks another one down. He's up to 20 points in this game. Legs ang hinahanap ni Coach Caloy. Oh, nice fake inside. Sanitos with a hoop. Into the chest of Bo Belga. Short jumper. Oh, he gets another one. To Bo Belga on the run. You're in his path. Nakakatakot yun. Out to Chris Chu. That's a 3 from Chris Chu. He knocks it down. Cutting in the lane, JP Mendoza. He's trying to go onto the defense of Gabe Norwood. And he gets a basket. What a game mula kay JP Mendoza. To Norwood to the corner. James Yap, bumitaw na naman ang 3. At ngayon, pasok naman yan para kay James. Six seconds to shoot. Out the game. He's been shooting well. Sa larong ito, 3 shot. Wanted to get going. Oh, yan ang scorer. Isa pa yan. Jericho!
Kitang-kita yung pasok yun.
Rainer Shine still up by 4. Q napunta kay James Yap. Hit a couple of threes in the third. Another one. This one's a jumper. 2 points lang yan. Rebound taken by Hazul. Basket is good! At meron pang chance for the 3-point play. Bakal to Hazul. He was ready to take that three, and he makes it. Norwood inilabas kay Jericho Cruz. He'll make his move, spin in the lane. Iniwan para kay Jay Wash, another basket. Man of the moment. Out to James. James the three. Oh, what a
Yes.
sequence! What a sequence by the
Yes.
Rainier side. They keep possession for
Isa pa.
the shot.
Oh,
Oh,
baka na
great
naman.
Norwood. And he gets it. First distance pays off for the Beast. Ahead to Rakal. Rakal will attack. Gets the two. Sanitos. Creating space. The hook shot. Nabigay niya. Kicks over to Jericho to the corner. Jeff for three. Yes! They don't call him the Nexus sniper for nothing.
Jeff coming in and doing the same thing.
Kaso! Wow, a sweeping hook shot. Three to shoot. Balls on the
Nasubutan
floor. Eximiliano, pupulutin. Kaya ba niya all the way? Yes, he does!